And before watching this video, give it a like. If you don't like it, you can remove it at the end. Let's go. Today we are going to ramp up with 85 pips in the strategy. We will use a single MACD indicator with my personal settings, which you can find in my open Telegram channel via the link in the description. Join and scroll through the posts there. You will find the settings for this indicator. Secondly, we will use a 15-second time frame. Thirdly, we place a trade with an expiration time of 1 minute and enter with all deposits. Well, I'm currently looking for a good entry point. I found a decent entry point here. We are putting the entire deposit on a rise, on a breakout of this level, and we will take our profit. We are only trading for 1 minute, working only on OTS. Currently, the currency pairs have a small percentage or are completely disabled. You see there are percentages, they are holding a bit longer, but the pairs are fluctuating. The deal is in progress, 20 seconds left. I think there's no need to say anything. There was just an area here. This area is breaking through. There is a green indication here. Oh dear, what's that? Come on, don't overlap. Well, yes, plus 163 bucks. So, we are putting in the maximum entire deposit. I'm currently finding a good point, connecting. So, what if we enter for a decrease for 1 minute here? There was a strong upward movement. Stop flat. Pullback. One moving average is preparing to cross another moving average here. The reds are coming, but this is bad for a downward movement. Because a reversal like this can happen now and block us, then it will be sad. Wouldn't want to end the video if we get blocked in the negative. Well, let's see. Let's watch. Well, something is really stopping. Well, it's already good now. Everything is going well so far. I hope there won't be a spike upwards now. There are literally 5 seconds left. And this trade is also entering confidently for us. Plus, on the base, plus $314. I'm putting in the entire deposit again. I'm currently looking for a good point and connecting. I suggest making a buy here. We have a trading area here. The price has pulled back up. A retest of this area, but it can last here. Dangerous, dangerous. In fact, I should have waited. I rushed a bit. Hope there won't be a downward move now. I don't really want to, but I hope there will be an upward movement here. Come on, fly up. In principle, everything is pointing to the price reaching a peak here and shooting up. But if there isn't enough time now, it will be sad, friends. Fly up, come on. Well, come on. Come on, my dear. Come on. With effort, with reluctance, with unwillingness, come on. Well. Oh, wow, baby. Plus $600, great. You see, sometimes you need to help it, guide the chart, come on, go in the direction I want, give it a little push, great. So, what if we enter a downward position here? I bet 90% that a pullback will happen here. It could occur right here. Good area, there was a strong upward movement, significant on the 15-second time frame. Secondly, red pullback indicators appeared. The main thing is that there isn't a sharp rebound now. The price has already reached here exactly, where I mentioned. But I think the price might still reach here, a little lower. Ideally, the main thing is that we are not closed out now. Go carefree down. And there is one on the base, plus 1159. Excellent. 50.09, excellent. I will place the entire amount again. Either take more risk, I don't know. You see what I was talking about? Just on the base. I'm looking for a signal, connecting. That's it, let's not waste time. Here we enter with this deposit for an upward position. Very simple. It goes up, it goes in the channel. Ideally, it should have been from the lower boundary, but I'm entering on the breakout. The only downside is that our standing average is already at the top. Strong overbought condition. A pullback can happen with such shadows, but I hope it doesn't happen now. Oh good, just waiting. The main thing is that it doesn't close over. And for those who don't know, I have a closed Telegram channel with signals and educational videos. Message me via the link in the description. I want to join the team, and I will add you. There, you will learn to make such precise trades. If a trade doesn't go through, I write a follow-up, we cover it, and we take the trades into profit. Statistics show 95% in profit. We trade wisely, calmly find trades, and we take our profit. And the guys are learning. Plus 2,226 to the deposit. This is our deposit. Almost all twos. Such a joy for the soul. No, there's this guy who is currently in fashion, in reels, in shorts. Good morning, friends. Such a nice day. I have such a mood right now. Subscribe to my open Telegram. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell and write your comment. I read all the comments.